Here's a hearty welcome to you in another video from Entrepreneur League. In today's world, everyone is worried about earning money. So there is no need to get worried. We are here for you to tell you how to make money from home. You only have so many hours in a day. Let others make the money for you. In today's video, we are going to talk about the 10 best side hustles to make money from. By watching this video, you will be able to learn about different effective ways to earn money. So don't go anywhere or miss any part of the video. Also, if this is your first time visiting the channel Entrepreneur League, remember to subscribe and keep earning with us. With the instability, especially due to infectious diseases in the world, the economic condition of people is deteriorating day by day. It's necessary to inform people about new techniques to earn money without physically going anywhere. This video will be beneficial for you to earn more and more. Number 1. Launch a dropshipping company. Start with the first one, which is the best suggestion for a side business is dropshipping. You can sell a product directly to the buyer without purchasing any inventory. You don't need to have a sizable amount of money set aside for initial fees, lowering your risk. The manufacturer not only keeps the stock but also sends it on your behalf directly to the consumer. The lifeblood of your firm should be marketing and customer service. This is the side business for you if you have a lot of experience in marketing and want something that works with your strengths. It's one of the uncommon side professions that satisfies a genuine business need. You get to run your own company as the owner. Number 2. Start working as a freelancer. Now let's talk about the second method to earn money from home, which is to work as a freelancer. If your income is unpredictable, you might require more money at times and a little less at others. If this describes you, you might decide to work as a freelancer, rejuvenated afterward. These might be tasks that you post on Fiverr or sporadic freelancing jobs on Upwork. The projects you work on could be very different. However, if you enjoy variety and changing things up, this side business could be ideal for you. Depending on the side jobs you take on and the sites you use, you might make anywhere from $50 to $2,000 each month. Number 3. Become an online trainer. Again, one of the most fulfilling careers is teaching, and anyone can coach students through various online platforms. Even while still in school, several young entrepreneurs begin freelancing. The market for test preparation is predicted to expand at a rate of 6% per year through 2027 due to the popularity of services like tutoring and exam preparation among student freelancers in colleges. According to a report, the value of the online training and education market will reach $243 billion in 2022. You might make big money as a side hustle by coaching or consulting individuals online if you have knowledge and/or experience in a particular field. Number 4. When not in use, consider renting out your car. If you own a car that is rarely used, you might be able to earn extra cash by renting it out. A number of apps are there for this purpose where you can list your car for rent in your city. In short, one of your best options for a side business if you don't need to use your car all the time is to rent it out. Number 5. Make and sell your own handcrafted items. Now let me tell you that making and selling your own handmade things is a great side hustle idea if you've ever wanted to earn money from your interests. Even if learning a trade takes a lot of time, making handmade goods is one of the best ways to stand out in a sea of mass-produced goods. Consider a task like performing, even if no one is paying you for it. Carpentry, knitting, painting, or other creative pursuits can all be the basis for interesting side businesses. Number 6. Start a dropshipping business. Similarly, it is necessary to talk about another online business strategy, that is dropshipping, in which a third party creates and ships your existing products. All you need to do is set up your store, set your product prices, and promote your company. Consider launching a dropshipping business if you enjoy the automated parts of print on demand but are more interested in marketing and operations than designing unique designs. Because products are only shipped once they are purchased, dropshipping is also a low-risk business opportunity. As long as your marketing costs are fair, there is plenty of room for profit. Number 7. Online physical goods sales. Furthermore, every day, millions of individuals make purchases from their preferred retailer, a small business on social media, or an internet store like Amazon. The US Census Bureau estimates that e-commerce sales will reach $870.8 billion in 2021. Consider creating and selling the product you wish you had if you have a passion for a certain sector of the economy or want to find a solution to a certain issue. Create a website for your internet store so you can start selling and earn extra money each month. Your goods don't need to be brand new. A side business that not only increases your income but also declutters your home is listing gently used items on social media, eBay, or Facebook Marketplace groups. Number 8. Start blogging. In addition to that, one of the best side gigs to work from home or any place else on the globe is blogging. You may do this while also developing your personal brand. Even writing about your interests is an option. You can connect with readers who have the same interests as you by starting a blog in an area that you understand. Some of the most popular categories for part-time blogging include yoga, business, cosmetics, and automobiles. Adding affiliate links to your posts or including a link to your online store where you sell dropshipped goods are two ways to monetize your blog. Number 9. Sell digital goods. Next is the digital market, where any non-physical asset that exists in the digital world is considered a digital product. These items are often things that can be downloaded or streamed, such as MP3s, PDFs, movies, and templates. Musicians are always needed for films and advertising campaigns. In order to stand out from the competition, websites are constantly looking for fresh fonts and visuals. Digital goods could include textbooks, royalty-free audio files such as stock music or sound effects, templates, and more. Number 10. Monetize your home or even a single room. Last but not the least, if investing in real estate appeals to you but you don't want to keep the whole of your house rented out for years, then list your property or spare room on relevant apps. Millions of people use Airbnb as an alternative to hotels or as a full-time traveler. You also don't need to list an entire property for your side hustle. Well, that's all for today's video. Feel free to share your experience in the comments section. Which business idea attracted you more? How much have you earned from these ideas? It will be very interesting to read. And if you like the video, why not give it a thumbs up? I'll see you in the next video. Until then, subscribe to the channel Entrepreneur League.